Hey guys, today please meet my team and see what we always do from Monday to Friday.
It's Mr. Paul.
Yes, please subscribe. Thank you.
Tell me that you're the one. Thinking about you in my sleep. Tell me that you like me. Would you be there if I fall? Oh no, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, come closer. I don't wanna force ya. I just wanna touch ya. I don't wanna post that. Come on, get in my rover. I just wanna hold that. Big yellow die, don't close that. Shawty, giving me all that. Shawty looking so perfect, they're staring the whole time. I've been running and looking for you tight. Shawty looks so big, she was looking at me this whole time. Pretty eyes like, I ain't gon' let it slide. Baby, don't front. Do you wanna play? Do you wanna play? Come into my room. Come into my room. Baby, don't you fly. Tell me that you're the one. Thinking about you in my sleep. Thinking about you in my sleep. Tell me that you like me. Would you be there if I fall? Oh no, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, come closer. I don't wanna force ya. I just wanna touch ya. I don't wanna post that. Come on, get in my rover. I just wanna hold that. Big yellow die, don't close that. Shawty, giving me all that. Shawty looking so perfect, they're staring the whole time. I've been running and looking for you tight. Shawty looking like a bird, so fly. Running in my head. Shawty looking like a bird, so fly. Running in my head.
So guys, yeah, as you can see, we use tires, hip resistant bands, dumbbells. So those are the major equipment that we use every day. So yeah, the ladies are really pushing, and others have already achieved their results within 2 months, 3 months, or less than that. So guys, come join us and have fun with us. It's really amazing in here at Fitness with Kim.
Dookie on the track. I have the pleasure to present to you.
Yeah guys, as you can see, the coach is here. Sexiness overloaded. Please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.